Hey everyone! Today I want to talk about a concept that I really like and it became my principle, and that is learning in public. It just means sharing what you're working on with other people. It might be your hobby, side project, or just random facts you learned. But many people don't share their work because they are scared of being judged by other people. I had this fear as well, and I still do sometimes, but sharing my work and learning in public have been one of the best things I've ever done. Since I started sharing my work on YouTube and my blog, I got to learn faster, meet amazing people, and build an audience online. The reason you can learn faster when you share your work is that people give you feedback and share what they know with you. For example, I often tweet about what I'm learning and instantly I get replies and messages from people who give me advice and tips on how to learn it. This is what I did with learning how to use Rome. On YouTube, I was just sharing what I learned about Rome and people started to share what they learned with me. As a result, now I know a lot about Rome research thanks to their feedback. So you should just start sharing what you learned. I can guarantee that it's going to accelerate your learning. Learning in public also allowed me to meet amazing people because when you share your work, it's going to attract like-minded people and you get to meet others who share the same interest as you. Since I started sharing my work on YouTube, I got to talk to people I really admire like Ali Abdal and Francesco D'Alessio. People started to send me a message on Twitter and Instagram, and many of them are really cool people with interesting backgrounds. In my opinion, learning in public is the fastest and the most effortless way to build your network. Finally, you can build your audience just by sharing what you're working on or what you're learning. This is what I've been doing on my YouTube channel. I started YouTube seriously about 8 months ago and now I have over 5,000 subscribers. All I've been doing is just sharing what I discovered and what I learned about Rome, Stoicism, productivity and random things. And people appreciate you for sharing what you learned and they become sort of your fan. So there are many benefits of learning in public, but a lot of people hesitate to do it because they think they don't have anything to share. But now you can learn anything online for free. What are the things you like and always wanted to learn? Go to Wikipedia and search that thing and write about what you learned. Then post it on Twitter or Medium. It takes just 10 minutes to do it and some people will find it valuable. Then you can start writing on your blog or newsletter, or you can even start making videos about what you learned like I did. If you can do this consistently for a long period of time, you will start getting feedback, meet amazing people, and build an audience online. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was somewhat inspirational and I hope you will start sharing your work. And if you have any question, please let me know. Send me a DM on Twitter or Instagram. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Bye!